Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to translate comments in TikTok mobile. So let's consider that you get interested in a post and it's not on your main language, and when you open the comment section you find out also that it's in Russian language or maybe Arabic or in other language that you are not familiar with. So you want to translate what is going on and what they are talking about. So the solution is to translate the comment, of course, that you want to read. So first you just need to head over into your TikTok app, tap on it. Alright, and so sorry, and once you are in, for example, this is an Arabic post and I'm interested to understand this post, for example, or this reel. So I will just tap on the comment section of the reel, and right here they are commenting in the Arabic language. So to translate a comment, you just need to tap and hold it. For example, let's tap and hold this comment, and here, right here, as you can see, you have the translate option. So just by tapping on that option, translate that one, tap, it will be generated, or and it will be automatically translated into your phone's language or your TikTok language. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and bye bye.